ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Khnang bante elakam ye ki kam runa ruser ki baju jia kha man lakasngi haki benta khapo jongkari India bat kari Bangladesh katanat sipai border security force kaladep shna hado shispa khat nyotli na ki shispa ar pusantli ki border outpost hasilinter ka khapo jongkari India bat kari Bangladesh Yaganela Pentib Deputy Inspector General Jonkishipai Border Security Force Kamigalia Frontier Udi Hakib Haka Jinya Kren Bat Batisi TV Haka Laipo Tarik Ubanai Naiwing Arhajar Arpuway.
Border when we compare to other borders like Assam and then Bengal, the Meghalaya border is much safe as far as human trafficking is concerned. So Government of India MHA has sanctioned certain anti-human trafficking units to frontiers where this human trafficking is rampant. But in Meghalaya, they have not sanctioned even a single unit. So, and in our normal routine also, so far, the human trafficking cases have not been reported so far because of the nature of the people residing towards our side and the features of the people and the language difference, they may find it difficult, a little bit difficult compared to other, plain areas.